What's up, family? Daily lesson number 58. What is earnings per share, or EPS for short acronym? Right? Definition plain English. Earnings per share, EPS, tells you how much profit a company makes for each share of stock. The formula goes like this. EPS equals net income divided by shares outstanding. Simple example. Company profit 10 million, shares outstanding 5 million. So that means the EPS equals $2. That means the company earned $2 per share. Why this matters? EPS is one of the most important numbers in investing because it shows profitability, it drives stock price movement, it's used with PE ratio, and Wall Street tracks it closely. When EPS grows consistently, prices usually follow. How investors actually use EPS. EPS growth most important. Rise in EPS equals businesses improving. Flat EPS is stall growth. Fall in EPS may be a warning sign, right? Investors want consistent growth, not one lucky quarter. So if you're looking at 10Ks or financial statements or, a company's profit and loss, go back five years to understand. Context matters. EPS versus expectations. Stocks don't move on earnings alone. They move on earnings beats, earnings misses, and especially earnings guidance, right? A company can beat or miss, but depending on the guidance, where it's moving forward in the future, this is most important. So a company can make money and still fall if expectations aren't met. So understand, context matters. Common beginner mistakes. Only looking at one quarter. Go back 2-3 years. Ignoring share dilution. Do not ignore this. Not checking if EPS growth is real or financial engineering. Understand this. More shares equals EPS can go up or down even if profits go up. So watch if they're adding more shares. Pro tip, how pros think. Smart investors ask, is EPS growing year over year? Is growth coming from real business, not cost cutting? Are shares increasing or decreasing? EPS quality matters more than EPS headlines. The key is, family, EPS tells you how profitable each share really is. Strong businesses grow EPS over time. Stock prices eventually follow earnings. Like, share, subscribe, and follow for daily wealth lessons. I love y'all. Peace.